Dzień dobry. W dzisiejszym odcinku pokażę Wam, jak przerobić za dużą sukienkę. To jest sukienka, którą kupiłam sobie w używaku. Kupiłam ją z dwóch powodów. Przede wszystkim ma piękny wzór, ta tkanina ma piękny wzór, bardzo mi się podobał. A dwa, to jest wiskoza, czyli taka tkanina, która świetnie nadaje się na lato. Jeżeli chodzi o wiskozę, to jest to taka tkanina, gdzie nam się wmawia, że ona jest ekologiczna. No niestety nie do końca tak to jest, bo żeby wyprodukować wiskozę, to trzeba zużyć bardzo dużo odczynników chemicznych, w związku z czym sam proces jej produkcji nie jest ekologiczny, no ale jeżeli ona jest już wyprodukowana, tak jak w tym przypadku, bo ja ją kupiłam z drugiego obiegu, no to myślę, że można powiedzieć, że to jest taki dobry, ekologiczny i ekonomiczny wybór. Jak widzicie, ona jest ogromna. W takiej formie nie nadaje się do noszenia. No i dzisiaj pokażę Wam, jak z czegoś tak wielkiego zrobić fajną sukienkę. Także zapraszam na odcinek. Zasubskrybujcie kanał i do dzieła.
Hey, what up, girl? How you doing? I don't want to come on too strong or nothing like that, but I've been thinking about you. And I've been wondering where you lay up. Where you at? So, sure. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Cinderella, I think I'll find your glass slipper, baby. Cinderella, I think you found your prince charming in May. I don't know much, but I do know that I'm feeling you. Hope that one day, maybe someday you'll be feeling me too. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Yeah. You must be magic the way that you carry yourself. It's like you got this unspoken confidence, baby, you know it damn well. You get me fired up like holy, you hotter than hell. None can compete cause your presence is unparalleled. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Hey, what up, girl? How you doing? I don't want to come on too strong or nothing like that, but I've been thinking about you. And I've been wondering where you lay up. Where you at? So, sure. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Cinderella, I think I'll find your glass slipper, baby. Cinderella, I think you found your prince charming in May. I don't know much, but I do know that I'm feeling you. Hope that one day, maybe someday you'll be feeling me too. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Where do you go to? Where do you go? Where do you go to? I wanna know. How do you do it? That thing you do. Follow you blindly, I'll be your fool. Yeah. You must be magic, the way that you carry yourself. It's like you got this unspoken confidence, baby, you know it damn well.